Hi friends, welcome back to Learn from Scratch. So today we are going to solve playing card problems on probability. First of all, we have to know what a deck of cards consists of. So a deck of cards consists of 52 cards in which 13 are hearts, 13 are clubs, 13 are spades and 13 are diamonds, and in which hearts and diamonds will be in red color. Each consists of ace, the numbers 2 to 10, and a jack, and a queen, and a king. So each consists of 13 cards. Totally there are 52 cards in a deck of cards. Coming to first question, in an experiment of drawing a card from a deck of cards, the probability of getting A spade, B a red color card, C an ace, and D pictured card, king, queen and jockey. So first of all we have to know total number of outcomes. So in a deck of cards we have 52 cards. So total number of outcomes will be 52. So first question, getting a spade. So totally we have 13 cards of spade. So the probability will be 13 by 52, which is equals to 1 by 4. Second question, red color card. So totally we have 26 red color cards which are of hearts and diamonds. So the probability will be 26 by 52, that is equals to 1 by 2. Third question, C, an ace. So totally we are having 4 aces in a deck of cards. So the probability will be 4 by 52, that is equals to 1 by 13. So D question, pictured card. Of the pictured cards will be king, queen and jockey. So in each we have 3 pictured cards. So totally 3 into 4, that is equals to 12 pictured cards. So the probability will be 12 by 52, that is equals to 3 by 13. Here, find the probability of drawing a king and a club from a deck of cards. Let us assume that E1 be the event of drawing a king and E2 be the event of drawing a club. So here we know a deck of cards consists of 52 cards. So total number of outcomes will be 52. Here we have to know one more thing. Whenever we see event A or event B, we have to do A union B, and whenever we see event A and event B, we have to do A intersection B. So here they are asking a king and a club, so we have to do intersection. For intersection we have to know number of outcomes favorable for E1 is 4 and favorable for E2 is, that is the number of clubs is 13. So n of E2 will be 13. So n of E1 intersection E2 is 1, as there is only one thing in common between E1 and E2, that is a king which is of club. So n of E1 intersection E2 is 1. So the probability will be P of E1 intersection E2 is equals to 1 by 52. Here, find the probability of drawing a king or a club from a deck of cards. It is also similar as previous question, but they are asking a king or a club. So assume as same as the previous question, E1 be the event of drawing a king and E2 be the event of drawing a club. Total number of outcomes is 52, and events favorable for E1 will be 4 and favorable for E2 will be 13. So here they are asking or a king or a club, so we have to do union. So by adding by the union of this E1 and E2, the total number of outcomes favorable for E1 union E2 is 16. So the probability P of E1 union E2 will be 16 by 52, that is equals to 4 by 13.